Hi guys, I'm CIC, glad to see you again. In today's video, we will talk about an exclusive touchscreen radio for BMW 5 Series, E60 and 3 Series who come with CIC system in their original radio. Before talking about the upgraded touchscreen radio, I would like to share some information about how to distinguish CCC and CIC system. As many people may have not noticed that in their BMW, they are very important when you decide to upgrade your factory radio. To distinguish the CCC or CIC system, you can check your original radio screen UI or the LVDS connector. If the UI is like below picture shown and the LVDS connector is 10 pin, it's the CCC system. On the other hand, if the UI is like this one and the LVDS connector is 4 pin, then it's CIC system. Now let's come back to our screen unit. So it's for the CCC system. Be careful when you make the order. It not only keeps all original car functions but also comes with some awesome features including 4G network, HD camera and OBD2, so on, adding more fun to your drive. If you are looking for a big touch screen for navigation, this product is the best choice, made with 8.8 IPS screen. It supports radio operation as well as steering wheel control. With the latest Android 10 system, you will have the ability to download various apps from Android market. I'm sure it will be more comfortable and convenient after you installing this touch screen. Besides, we have added the latest Carplay and Android Auto into this unit, which brings you an intuitive way to access phones, music, and maps, so on while on the road. We are always trying our best to offer quality aftermarket radio for our customers all over the world. We also focus on providing professional service for our customers to help them solve their problems. If you want to know more information about touchscreen unit, you can visit our blog for more tutorials details, or you can reach us by calls or emails. Thanks for watching. See you next time.